Hello everyone, this is Fawad. Welcome to my channel Future on Cloud. In today's video, I am going to show you how we can access Dell PowerEdge R440 using iDRAC controller, and then we'll do the VMware installation using the virtual media. So let's get started. So I have set up the IP address on the iDRAC. My IP address is 192.168.4.204, and I will set up the password as well. So we need to know the default password. So the Calvin is the default password, CALVIN. This is the default password for Dell PowerEdge, and now I'm going to set up my own password. So I did not purchase enterprise license to access it through the virtual console. For that, Dell is offering you 30 days trial license because it is only required for initial configuration. If it is the requirement of your company, you can go ahead and buy the enterprise license for that. But for me, the trial license is good enough because initially I need to configure it, and later on we don't need it to access it through iDRAC, right? So what I'm going to do is I have downloaded the file license which enable that virtual console. As you can see, the screen is not available here. So in order to activate the license, go in the configuration, then licenses. By the way, here is the procedure through which you can download the trial license, but I have already downloaded, so I'm going to import it. Click on browse and download that iDRAC 30 days evaluation version, right? Click on upload. So it is applied here. iDRAC Express license. So what I need to do is just go to dashboard. Still it is not visible here, so you just need to log out and log in again. So here you can see the virtual console is available. Click on it, and now you will have access on your physical server, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to install vmware vsphere 7.0. I have 4 1.7 TB drives, so RAID 5 is configured. So what I'm going to do is I'll just connect the virtual media. Click on virtual media, then virtual media. I'm going to map the CD. 7.0, and don't forget to click on map device, otherwise it will not map. Now it is mapped, then click on boot and select the virtual CD DVD ISO. It will boot from the virtual image, and click on power, then reset system on boot. Click yes. It will reboot the system, and here you can see shortly the virtual console requested for. This is my IP address. Indian life cycle controller. It's not responding. Just reboot the system. Make sure virtual media is connected. Here you can see the virtual CD boot request by iDRAC. So shortly it start booting up from the ISO file which we have attached. So the boot process initiated and now installation is going on for ESXi. So let it load the files. For the time being, I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back again once it requests for the credential and the storage selection, the password configuration, etc. So here we go. Just click on enter to continue the setup. F11 to accept the license agreement. So 3.49 TB is the available storage. I'll use the same one. Alright, it will format everything as it is a brand new setup, so we don't have any data on it. Set the password. Proceed F for the installation, press F11. So it will take some time. For the time being, I am pausing that video and get back to you again once it finishes. Alright, so installation is about to finish now. Here we go, and just hit enter to reboot it. Once it reboot, we just need to configure the IP address, host name, DNS, etc. So let's wait until it's come back. So this is 2-socket server with Intel Xeon Gold 6240 with 128 GB memory. Let's set up the IP address and the host name. In order to configure it, just press F2, type the credentials, go in configuration management, then IPv4, space, type the IP address, whatever you want as per your configuration. My IP address would be 204. No, this is for iDRAC. It would be 54. set IPv6. Once you disable it, it will ask for restart. Otherwise, if you leave it as it is, it will just restart the management network. And the DNS. Host name SRV04 and then suffix. This is my domain name. And this is it for now. Let me cross check. 54 is the IP. Yes, it is correct. Press escape and reboot the device. So the IP address is configured. Now I'll access it through the web browser. Oh, it's not the correct password. I don't want to join it so far. I'll apply the license later on. So 128 GB and 92 gigahertz, and storage is this is it for now. Thanks for watching.